This red-bellied woodpecker isn't the one who's supposed to be hammering on our chimney cover. I thought flickers were the only ones into heavy metal. And besides, this red-bellied didn't even start doing crash cymbals until July. Midsummer, when his young are already fledged, he decides to start this. Normally, when a woodpecker hammers this loudly, he's either looking for a mate, already accomplished, obviously, or defending his territory. Must be the territorial thing, because if it's not, he's just channeling Ringo Starr and Gene Krupa.